Good morning. So we slept for like 9 hours, which was very much needed, and it was quite cold all night. And let me tell you, the duvet was not a duvet.
It was like a sheet.
It was thin like a curtain, and not only that, but it was too short, so my feet were poking out of it all night. But other than that, we're just taking Charlie for a little walk now. Then we're gonna start driving to Czech Republic.
Maybe we'll see if we find some coffee here as well.
Yeah, probably. Oh, and one more thing. I have actually never heard of this city before booking this trip, but check out this place. Places that exist that we don't know about. It's amazing.
It's like 27 degrees and we're wearing winter clothes basically. I was gonna put on a dress, but he started putting on jeans and a jumper. I was like, oh okay, it's gonna be cold. But
it's not.
No. Oh my god. But one good thing is that we didn't know you can drive 140 kilometers per hour on the motorways in Poland. Like, we've cut down an hour already. But we haven't eaten anything still. So what have we got? Like 2-3 hours left. And here's so many hotels by the side of the motorway. Like, it's crazy. We are just about to cross the border to Czech Republic. Like, right now? It's so hard to tell.
Yeah, this is the border.
Oh, this is it!
Yeah.
Oh, we're in Czech Republic! Woo, woo, woo. And I'm currently looking at places to rent in Italy with a pool and preferably a pizza oven, because I would really like to make my own pizza. I saw a vlog about it, and after that I've been like, we need to do it! But I'm struggling to find a place with a pizza oven. It should be like, you know how you can put the filters on Airbnb? You can search for like a pool and stuff and pets allowed. But you can't put a pizza oven, and they should really change that, as I'm in desperate need of a pizza oven. So food for thought, Airbnb, food for thought.
So we are now in Ostrava, Czech Republic, and we just checked into our hotel, which is like, it's like a small hotel on top of a bar, but we actually forgot that there was breakfast included, so that was a nice surprise.
It was like 30 euros for a night.
Yeah, it was really cheap. So we just ate our packed lunch, because we didn't stop on the way to eat it, because the driving was going so smoothly. So yeah, the speed limit on Polish motorways were 140, and I'm not saying we did, but if we wanted to, we could have easily driven like between 160 and 180 the whole way, because the locals were just driving so fast the whole way. But again, I'm not saying we did, but if we wanted to, we could have. Now we're just out for a walk with Charlie, and what are we gonna do then?
I think, since it's on top of a bar,
we might have a beer.
Yeah.
Maybe.
They had like this local beer, so I think we should just try it out.
Yeah.
We haven't been out once, like not out to eat or anything, so...
Yeah, well, we haven't been doing much else than driving, honestly.
Yeah. Good morning, guys!
Good morning!
So we're back on the road now.
And we're driving to Brno to get another COVID test, because we're going to Austria today, to Vienna.
and we're gonna stay there for 2 nights.
Yeah.
That's gonna feel so good because there's taking all our stuff up in a room and going back down. It's exhausting.
Yeah, it is.
But it's not as bad as when we stayed in Riga because it was on the 6th floor. There was no lift, so you know.
So yeah, we actually went for a beer last night, and you would not believe what the beer cost here in Czech Republic. Like, okay, comment your best guess down below, because a beer at a pub in Finland is about
7 to 8 euros.
yeah
8.50 somewhere.
6 to 8 euros in between. Our bill was 250, not each. Our total bill for 2 beers were 250. Like probably the cheapest beer I've ever had.
Yeah, in a pub.
In a pub. So,
yeah, it was a whole like pint.
Yeah. So Czech Republic, cheap beer.
Hey. Yeah, that place was definitely worth the money. I checked this morning to see how much we paid for it, and it was 33.88 euros, breakfast included. Having some issues with the navigator, like the car navigator doesn't find all the places. So we put it in the phone as well, but it was clearly the wrong place.
This seems to be a place.
It wasn't that bad. We just drove wrong. So we're here now at the COVID test. Okay, we managed another test. I started crying. Just imagine 10 years from now, ago, who would have thought we were sticking sticks up our noses?
Yeah.
It's crazy. So yeah, we're going to Vienna! I can't believe it! I'm so excited! I've wanted to go there for ages. Just want to add that the girls or women that took our COVID test, they were so nice and like, they were quite cheerful in one way.
Yeah.
Like, we got a really good feeling from them. You get happy when people are nice. Okay, so change of plans. We are gonna do a quick detour in Slovakia before going to Austria. I'm so happy! So you'll get to see Slovakia. But we are going some weird way now because we decided it quite late. I think this is a vineyard.
Yeah. Okay, so this road was actually quite fun.
It's like being in Forza. Whoa, Charlie's flying. Truck drivers don't have an easy life, do they? They have to stop all the time. Like, we've seen several stops, like where police stops the trucks and do like drug tests and things. Well, that's what it said, I think.
Yeah, we think so.
Yeah, we think so. We're not sure.
So we are now in Bratislava all of a sudden, and We went to this vegan restaurant called Vegan Kiosk.
We were
And
starving.
we both tried the KFC burger that they had there, and it was really good.
Here's a cat cafe. And if we didn't have Charlie, I'd definitely go. I could see one cat from the window. It was so cute.
And now it's time to start driving to Vienna. But this place is quite amazing, so I think this is definitely one of those cities we need to come back to with more time. Because it seems like everywhere you look there's something new to look at.
It's so beautiful, all the buildings and his castles and yeah.
Yeah, so I think we'll be back. So, we have now successfully checked into the hotel, and Charlie is completely done with this day. And so are we. Just a small problem. We can't access Lena's PCR test that we did today because her phone isn't working here. Only one problem.
This one is not responding.
It's actually really warm here today. Change of plans once again, where we wanted to go.
They cancelled. It was better than